In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect Samsung S25 to printer. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to set up any printer that you have and connect it to your Samsung S25. This will be done by accessing these settings on the device itself, and it will also work for any other Samsung smartphone that you have, S24, S23, and so on. Regardless of the device, you will be able to set up your printer. So to start, head over into the settings of your Samsung smartphone. Inside of the settings, go over to the connections category. Inside of connections, you will have plenty of options, and printers are going to be available under more connection settings. So go to settings, connections, and then more connection settings at the bottom. Now you will find printing. This is where you will be able to manage all of the printers that are connected and install the necessary services for the printers to work. Usually, you will have a default printing service, and you just have to make sure that this is enabled. With this enabled, you can now begin looking for nearby printers. If you want to download a specific one, choose this option, and I'm going to show you what it does later. But if you tap on default printing service, you will search for nearby printers. So let's say, for example, you have an HP printer. As long as it is trying to search for nearby devices or it has an open connection, you will be able to select it and it will be attributed to your S25. With this done, you can now issue commands using your smartphone. Alternatively, if you tap on these three dots and you choose the option to edit different printer, or you choose download a plugin, you will be redirected into the Play Store where you can download the necessary services for each manufacturer. So for example, if you have an Epson printer, you might want to download this plugin to make sure that it can be detected. If all else fails and you cannot do it through these settings as I've displayed here, I recommend going into the Play Store and downloading the respective application. So for example, Epson will use iPrint, so you go into Google Play and you look for their application instead. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Samsung S25 to printer. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.